students. Today we are going to learn example number 3, exercise 1.3. Express the following in form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q cannot be 0. In last lecture also we are learning how we are converting P by Q form. Like that, in example we have done it very well. So once again we practice more. So first one is given 0.6 bar. That means 0. So first you have to assume x is equal to 0.666 and it's a continuously more times. First step is our that first you have to suppose it is x. After that, second point is that first you have to show how many digits are repeating. So we can see here only one digit and it is 6 are repeating more times. So you have to multiply this x by 10. So both sides you have to multiply by x. So 10x you get, and when you multiply by 10, here we get 6.666 and it's a continuous. Okay, yes. Now what happened? Now make part. So 10x is equal to 6 plus 0.666 and it's a continuous. So 10x is equal to, we get here 6 plus. Now put the value of 0.666. So its value is x. You have assumed the first hand. So put here x. Now we can subtract the variable 10x minus x and is equal to 6. So 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 6. So x is equal to, we get here 6 by 9. And you can cut it. It should be in a shortest form. So 6 that means 3 to the and 9 that means 3 3. So 3 should be cut. So x is equal to 2 by 3. So given question is 0.6 bar and its answer is x is equal to 2 by 3 and it's a P by Q form of given question. Now second one. Look here, in second question there is 0.4 and 7 bar. Only one digit is repeating here and that second digit. So what happened? First you have to write x is equal to like that 0.4 and 7 only repeating, not 4 repeating here. Look here, only last digit and that is 7 and it is also repeating more times. So repeated digit are only one. So you have to multiply by 10. So 10x we get here when 10 is multiplied, so we get here 4.777 like that and 7 are repeating, so we are continuously signing it. So 10x is equal to 4.777 continuously. So we make here part because we want to write here the value of x and value of x is equal to 0.477 and here our answer is 4.7. So you make part. So first you have to write 4.3 like that, 4.3, and when you add them 0.47 like that, 0.4777 continuously. So in the place of that you can put the value of x. So you have to make two part like that when we can put the value of x. आपको दो पार्ट ऐसे बनाने हैं जिसमें एक पार्ट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो x की वैल्यू हम उसकी जगह पे रख सके, उस वैल्यू पे हमें x रखना है, तभी हम उसका p by q फॉर्म निकाल सकते हैं. So now it should be clear 4.3 plus 0.477 continuously. So 10x is equal to here 4.3 plus x. Just put the value of v as you first. Now what happened? 10x minus x is equal to 4.3. 4.3 that means 10x minus x is equal to 43 by 10 and here we get 9x. So 43 and by 10. So x is equal to 43 divided by 90. And it's your answer. And it's your P by Q form of given question. Clear? Thus 0.47 bar is equal to 43 by 90. It's your second answer. Now third one. We can see here in third question there are question is 0.001 and here 3 digits are repeating 0, 0 and 1. Look here, the bar is on 3 digits, so we can call it, we can say that here 3 digits are repeating. So first we said that when here how many digits are repeating? 3 digits. So you have to multiply it by 100 नहीं 1000. 2 डिजिट होता है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 1 डिजिट मल्टीप्लाई होता है रिपीट तो 10 से here 3 digit are repeating, so we have to multiply by 1000. So first assume x is equal to 0.001 and once again it is repeated 001 and it's a continuously. So x is equal to, we get this value. So now by multiplying both sides 1000 we get 1000x is equal to 1000 x is equal to 1 point is equal to 1 point because 1 to 3 after 3 digit we can put points, so 1.001 and it should be continuously repeating. So once again you have to write here 001 and it should be repeating continuously 001. Remember it. When you multiply by 1000 and second step you know that what? Yes, you have to make part because why? Because you have to put the value of x and in the place of given value you have to put x. So we get here 1000x is equal to 1 plus 001 and it's a bar. That means repeating 001 more times. So here you can put the value of x in the place of given value. So 0.001. Once again 0.001 and it should be repeated. So you can put the value. So 1000x is equal to 1 plus x. So 1000x minus x is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So what happened? Now minus, so 999x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 999. So it is the your P by Q form of given question. Now example number 4, express 0.999 continuously in form P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate discuss why the answer makes sense. Look here. In this question, our question is like that 0.9 bar and it means 9 is repeating more times. So when we convert in P by Q form, look here what happens. So first you know that how can we convert? First here 1 digit are repeating, so you suppose assume there are x is equal to 0.9 bar. Okay. Now 1 digit are repeating, so we have to multiply by 10 both sides. So 10x is equal to 9 bar. Okay. Now 10x is equal to 9 plus 0.9 bar. Put the value of x. So 9 plus x. So 9x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 divided by 9. So our answer is 9 should be cut here. So our answer is x and that is 1. here 9.999999 more times, and we get answer here x is equal to 1. Thus 0.9999 more times is equal to 1. It is nearest to the 1, we can say that. In other words, 0.9 bar is equal to 1. This also follows the rules mentioned in a remember section, that rules is that 0.m bar is equal to m upon 9. Our short trick in convert p by q form, short trick ये थी कि ये सब जो रिपीट होता है उसको ऊपर रख दो और नीचे 9 रख दे तो आंसर आ जाता है. तो इस रूल्स का है, एज पर रूल्स. इस रूल से हम देखें तो 0.9 divided by 9 is equal to also 1 here. The answer seems to be tricky. Actually, there is no situation that gives the decimal expression of rational number p by q as 0.9. This is an imaginary descriptor of recurring decimal number. You may say that 0.3 bar plus 0.6 is equal to 9, but simple fraction from 0.3 bar and 0.6 bar add up to give 1. Thus, suppose 0.3 bar and plus 0.6 bar. Now convert in a p by q form. That means 3 by 9 and 6 by 9. So what happened? 9 by 9. Also we can get here 1. In this question we are surprising by answer. Yes, because it is the rules, and thus our answer is 0.9 bar is only 1. Clear? Yes. So in like this question you can don't confuse and take easy. So we have example number 5. Example number 5. What can the maximum number of digits be the repeating block digit in the decimal expression? 1 upon 7. When 1 upon 17. 1 upon 17. When you do long division, you can get answer like that 17. So 1 is divided by 17. So we cannot, because 1 is less than 17, so we have to put 0. So 0 point. Now 10 is less than 17, so we once again we have put 0. Once again we have put here 0. Now we can divide. So you have to, when you put 0 here also answer you have to put 0. Need to put 0. Now you can divide by 1700. 100 को 17 से आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो. So 75 is 85. Now subtract them, we get here 15. Once again 0. 150. When a table of 70, we get answer 17 8s. 17 8s. 136. 136. So 10 and 4. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 14 and 0. Once again you have to put here 0. Once again you have put here 0. So once again 17 8s. 17 8s are 136. Remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. So our answer is 40. Our answer is 40. Now what happened? Once again divide. 17 2s are 17 2s are 17 2s are 34 and 6. Make 60 here and put here also 0. So what happened now? 17 3s are 17 3s are 51. 17 3s are 51. Do long division at, so 60 50 to 9, so 90. 90 once again you have to continuously 0 you have to put there. Okay. यस, जितने भी जीरो उधर आते हैं आपको घटे जाने से। So now 17 fives are 17 fives are 17 fives are 85, 17 fives are 85, 5 and 0, 0 इधर आपको रखते ही जाने हैं और इधर डिवीजन करते जाना है। जहां तक लॉन्ग डिवीजन आता है धीरे धीरे धीरे, जब तक डिजिट रिपीट ना हो उधर तक हमें क्या करना है, लॉन्ग डिवीजन करते जाना है। तो इस तरह से जब हम पूरा डिवीजन करते जाएंगे तो 1/17 है जो उसका धीरे धीरे हमें आंसर मिलेगा। इन हियर 17 minus 1 16 gives the maximum possible numbers। इस तरह से 16 डिजिट आते हैं तब भी तक कोई डिजिट रिपीट नहीं होता। तो इस तरह से पूरा लॉन्ग डिवीजन आपको ये सम जो है वो होमवर्क घर से ट्राई करना है। इस तरह से पूरा डिवीजन करते जाओ, धीरे धीरे पूरा डिवीजन हो जाएगा तो इसका आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा।